Hey guys, it's me Paige, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make this weird slimy putty stuff. So I'm going to get out all my ingredients, see you in a sec. So I got all my ingredients. You just need a spoon and a bowl, some water, and some flour. And if you want, in the end, we'll get some food coloring. So what you want to do is you want to get your bowl and get your flour, and you want to put in like 3 spoonfuls of flour, depending on how much stuff you want. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. That's 3 spoonfuls. So now you just gradually want to add water. Just want to gradually add water. Look. So just want to mix it up gradually. And keep going. So I'll pause the video until I have a slimy mixture. So now that I have this mixture here, I'm going to add some food coloring, so I'll pause the video and get my food coloring. I decided I would use some purple, and the way this food coloring works is you have to... Ew, what happened to this purple? Ew, okay, never mind guys, just 1 sec. So instead of that disgusting purple, I'm going to choose yellow. Ew, what happened to that purple, I wonder? It's kind of weird. So what I do, I just stick the toothpick in here and scoop it up, and I'm going to stick it into my slime like that, my putty, whatever you call it. And you stick it in like that. Okay. I'm going to screw the top back on here. Put all this aside. So what I want to do now is I want to pick up this mixture, and I just want to knead the color in. So I'll be back in a sec. So I kept kneading it like this. My fingers are a little bit yellow, really yellow, but it'll come out. But look at this nice slimy stuff I have now. It's like stretchy and gooey and squishy and so much fun. So guys, I hope you enjoyed me making my slime. Request some new slime ideas if you want me to try some new craft ideas or anything sometime. Make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and like the video. And make sure you share this with all your friends because this stuff feels really cool. If you guys could feel it, I'd let you. Hope you guys enjoyed this putty slime video. See you guys later. Bye!